let's go back to Marcos, because he wanted to be called Marcos lang, just like our president. But we cannot call our president as Marcos alone. we will be scolded for like calling him, "Hello, Marcos," like that. Yeah, but anyway, we will be tackling or like discussing about your purpose of coming here in the Philippines. A while ago, I asked you about when was the first time you visited the Philippines. So, for Marcos, when was the first time?
My first time was 2017.
Oh, 2017. So, pre-pandemic also.
Pre-pandemic also. And I've been in the Philippines six times.
6 times already?
Already. 3 of them now here in Mindanao with Professor Alma
Oh.
Noharan.
What are you doing in Australia as a researcher? A researcher or
So I'm currently a researcher. I'm doing my postdoctoral course, postdoctoral research over there.
what particular field?
In entomology, which means
entomology.
the study of insects.
Oh.
And I focus on a small group, which is still 5,000 species, but of stink bugs, of family Pentatomium.
So your bachelor's degree was entomology also?
Biology.
Biology? Biology is part of what college in your university?
Biology is part of biology. We have
it's a
biology college.
College of Biology. It's very big, Ma'am Alma. in our university, we only have biology as part of the college. Yeah, it's not a college itself.
Okay.
So in your university, it's very big. So biology, and your master's degree was?
In evolution and biodiversity.
Wow, very diverse.
Yeah. Also in Barcelona, because that's where I'm
In
from.
Spain.
In Spain.
Oh, because you are from Europe, right? You're originally from
I'm from Barcelona, from Spain.
Barcelona. Oh my God, that's a very nice place. I really wanted to visit that place, but I don't have the opportunity and the money, of course. That's the Oh. But anyway, so that was your master's degree. How about your PhD?
I did my PhD in South Korea in the College of Applied Biology and Agriculture, and I did my PhD in systematics and taxonomy of stink bugs, of the family I'm currently working on.
So meaning it's still about biology.
Yes, though for example, in Korea where I did my PhD, there's no proper faculty of biology, so everything goes through applied biology or things related to agriculture.
That's why.
Even though my thesis was purely biology, they do it through a more applied kind of scenario.
Oh, which is more related in agriculture also, like entomology.
Exactly. They teach entomology in agriculture, not in general biology, where they focus more in microbiology and like more diseases and stuff like that.
Why in South Korea? Because you are from Europe, of course, and then you fly to South Korea for your PhD. Why?
So I have a good question. Even though I loved what I did, I was never the best student in my university, and I did not have super high grades because I did not like maths and I did not like physics. So all the things I did not like.
Same here. Don't worry, you're not alone.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So by the end, when I wanted to study something more, I did not have the grades to apply for a national scholarship. But I met the one that was going to be my supervisor, and he told me, well, if you want to come to my lab, I can sponsor you, and please, you can do whatever you want because you have the samples and you have the skills, but you basically cannot do it in your country.
Wow. So meaning he is a South Korean
professor.
Oh, which you met in
a congress in Europe.
In Europe. So he also studied in Europe, then go back to South Korea?
No, he gave a presentation in Europe in a congress, in an international congress, which I attended, and then we met there and we had a big conversation about That congress was in Austria.
Austria. That's the advantage of
Hemiptera.
that's the advantage of attending international congress, right?
Yes.
You are privileged to meet a lot of researchers in your field and a lot of opportunities as well. Sige, so thank you so much. So you are having your postdoc right now, but related to entomology.
So it's still in entomology. I think at this point in my life, I could not do anything else that is not entomology related.
Okay, because of the kind of work that you have now.
Like I have no experience in anything else. Basically, I'm too old to start anything new.
Too old? If you don't mind, how young are you now?
36.
30. You're still very young.
Yes, but too old to start a new career.
Too old to start
To
in
start a
career.
new, completely different career.
Really?
And I actually like research.
Yeah. I also love research, but research doesn't love me. so I have to stay here and just speak Bisaya and have my program instead of doing research. Yeah. Thank you so much for that information, but you are too young. Don't tell yourself that you are old because I'm older than you.
I'm my elbow. Excuse me.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much, Marcos.